Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily change the rear wiper blade on your Ford Edge. This is a simple maintenance task that you can do yourself in just a few minutes, saving you time and money. First, make sure you have a new wiper blade that fits your vehicle and a small flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your car is parked securely on a level surface for safety before you begin this quick process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. It should come off with minimal effort. Remember to hold onto the arm firmly so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your rear window, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Make sure the blade rests flat against the glass and can move without obstruction. To complete the process, test your new wiper blade. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper to ensure it operates smoothly and clears water effectively across the entire window. A properly installed blade should leave no streaks. For best visibility and safety, it's a good practice to inspect your wiper blades regularly for cracks or tears and replace them every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice a decline in performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.